Pay attention to this video. It could save your life someday. If you're in a crowded public place and hear loud noises that could be gunshots, avoid running in a straight line. Instead, zigzag or take cover to make yourself a more difficult target. If you encounter a wild animal like a mountain lion or coyote while hiking, try to make yourself appear larger by raising your arms and making loud noises. Do not turn and run, as this can trigger a chase response. If you encounter a venomous snake while hiking, avoid provoking it and give it plenty of space. Most snake bites occur when people attempt to handle or kill the snake. If you suspect someone is suffering from heat stroke, symptoms include hot, dry skin, confusion, and unconsciousness. Move them to a cooler place, apply cool, wet cloths, and seek medical help immediately.